Driven uses shipping integration both to get shipping estimates from third-party carriers and your own manual system options and printing of shipping labels. The shipping integration under company setup allows you to set up which third-party carriers you will be getting shipping estimates from, including FedEx, UPS, the Post Office, and Canada Post. If you get your own UPS account numbers and FedEx numbers in there, it will use your custom rates when giving quotes to customers. There are options for whether you are drop-off or scheduled delivery pickup, and for adding fixed handling charges or percentages onto your shipping estimates. The manual shipping option allows you to enter a postal code or zip code and configure what delivery types and prices are available for that zip code. This allows you to custom quote your own delivery trucks or other options in shipping charges. Saving these, we'll add them to the options. When you create a new customer and enter a billing zip code or shipping zip code, then you can create an order to that customer. So we'll create a new customer and put them in the 33601 zip code so that we can use our manual shipping estimate option. Creating the customer and filling in all of their information, including the zip code, will allow us to do this. So we'll save this customer and then enter a proposal to them. Starting a proposal to them and adding a line item will allow us to begin getting shipping estimates. The shipping estimate option will appear as soon as we've added a part number onto here, so we'll go ahead and put a part number for test at $1 and add that to the order. Directly above the line items is the Add Shipping Estimate button in the order screen here. Pressing that will bring up our options. Since there is a match in a manual delivery fee, I have two options of $25 or $15. Selecting one of those adds that to the order. You'll notice that I did not have any other shipping options because I did not have my company information with my address and zip code where this package will be coming from. That information must be entered here in Company Setup and saved in order to get accurate shipping estimates from FedEx, UPS, and the Post Office. If I re-access that order and pull the customer up and find their order, I will now be able to get a shipping estimate from one of those carriers as well. The shipping estimates for those options are going to be based upon the weight of the items that are on that order, where the package is coming from, your zip code in other words, and where it's going to. Now I have options that I can choose for my shipping estimates. I select one of them and press Apply Selections, and that will add that as a line item to the order as well. The other option for shipping setup is to be able to integrate to a third-party program called ShipRush, which will allow you to print shipping labels directly from Driven. Entering the shipping integration option again will allow you to download and install the ShipRush connector. This must be downloaded and installed from the computer that will be printing the shipping labels. Downloading it here will connect to our site and allow you to run the installation program. Once this process has completed, you will be asked to enter your ShipRush integration key. This would have been provided to you in an email by ShipRush and allows Driven to talk directly to ShipRush. We'll paste that into the ShipRush integration key area and enable ShipRush there. Now saving this in Company Setup will allow me to process orders and print shipping labels via ShipRush. Again, if I access an order that's here in Driven, we'll pull a customer up and find their order. You can only ship items on orders that have been at least set to a sales order status in Driven, so I'll have to change my status to a confirmed sales order, and then I can go through my pack and ship steps. Using the pack and ship items, I can choose to select and ship all items on this order, and then I want to automatically generate a label, and I need to pick the carrier and method that this package is going out. I'll choose UPS Ground for this particular package, and I finalize that package at the top of the screen. This launches the ShipRush program. This customer did not have ship to address entered, so I'll need to enter that because that's required to print the ShipRush label. Normally, if that information was filled in their order, it would populate here automatically. You also enter a weight. You can send an email notification. And notice that reference field number 1 has the number of the order number from Driven. So that information will print on the label as well. Gives me the price for the package, and my tracking information will post back here into Driven, and my shipping label will print.